In today's video, I will teach you how to duplicate a photo in Lightroom. Let's get started. The first method is creating a virtual copy. A virtual copy allows you to create multiple edits for the same photo without duplicating the original file. To do this, navigate to the Library or Develop module and select the image that you want to duplicate. Then right-click or Control-click on Mac on the photo. From the context menu, select Create Virtual Copy. The virtual copy appears as a separate version of your photo in Lightroom, marked with a small corner fold icon. You can now edit it independently from the original. Virtual copies do not create additional files on your computer, but are stored in Lightroom's catalog. The second method is exporting a duplicate file. If you want a separate physical file outside Lightroom, highlight the image that you want to duplicate. Then right-click on the photo and choose Export, then Export, and in the Export dialog, select a location on your hard drive to save the duplicate, and ensuring the settings like file format and resolution matches your needs. If you need the duplicate in Lightroom, simply drag the exported file back into your catalog. The third method is using a snapshot for different edits. If you want alternative edits but don't need a separate version in the grid view, simply go in the Develop module, then go to Snapshots panel, which is located on the left side, then name the snapshot and save it. Each snapshot saves the current state of your edits, and you can toggle between snapshots to view or continue editing each version. These methods allows you to duplicate photos in Lightroom while keeping your editing efficient and organized. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.